Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a recipe for a college student, but it just tastes so good, everybody's going to want to eat it. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I love sharing Instant Pot recipes with you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe that I just came up with. It's based on what I ate in college, and then also my daughter, who's in college now, told me what she has in her kitchen right now to cook with, and so I came up with it based on what she told me. So super easy. It only takes 3 minutes of prep time and then a 3-minute pressure cook time. So it's one of those dump and press start recipes, super fast and easy. Also has some nutrition to it, which is good if you're trying to get some nutrition in your diet when you're in college. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, we're gonna need some chicken base, some rice, black beans, pecani sauce, and then optional is the cheese, chips, and sour cream. First, we're gonna add in a cup of water and then 1 teaspoon of the Better Than Bouillon chicken base, or you can just use 1 cup of chicken broth. Then I'm sprinkling in a 3/4 cup of converted rice. You can also just use long grain white rice. I like the converted because it doesn't stick together. Then a can of beans that's been rinsed and drained, and a cup of pecani sauce, and I like the mild. And then we're gonna put the lid on and make sure that valve is set to sealing. And we're going to pressure cook for 3 minutes on high. Once the time is up, I'm going to let the pot sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then release any remaining pressure. Remove the lid and give it a good stir. Now you can eat it as is, or I like to add some cheese, and I always like to grate mine fresh off the block just because then it doesn't get, I don't know, it just has better meltability when you grate it right off the block like that. And just add it to taste. I crunched up some tortilla chips, but you can also do Fritos, and then a dollop of sour cream. It is really yummy actually, and so easy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.